Hey guys, I'm back. I know what you're thinking. Oh my gosh, 2 videos in a row? What's going on? But you know, the citrus twist came in, so gotta do one of those videos. Anywho, pardon my out of breathness. It's just, it was bad before I was pregnant. It's horrible now. But so citrus twist is, this is the Life Crafted kit, and I also do, I don't know what the stamp set's called, but this is the stamp set. It's like the monthly stamp set. So I love this little jagged, like, whatever you want to call it, border, whatever. More adventures, more get-togethers. So yeah, and then they give you a little sample. Oh, I love that. That is too cute. But yeah, that's the little border thing I was talking about. I love that. Excuse me, hand me to hit it. Yeah, these are super cute. So that is the monthly stamp set. I think it's a 4x6. Oh, almost threw my pouch away. I don't use them, but you know. You get a little, this is the excursions kit. Just a little card, you know, showing you what kit you have, I guess. And then you get a few little PL cards. I guess that's not what they're called. You're in the right place. That's cute. Oh, that's cute. Oh yeah, I remember her talking about those 1, 2, 3 in her unboxing. Miss Trina's. And then you also get 6x8 papers. And she called this a bookmark the other day. So yeah, I guess it's just a 4x8, which is super cute. I love them. I haven't used them all, but you do get 2 4x6 cards, which are perfect. Cut apart labels, because you never have enough labels. And your paper. I really love that the colors aren't too bright this time, because I'm not gonna lie to you, I just started my pregnancy album, and the hopes is to use some of these papers up that I just haven't gotten around to using. Well, some of them are quite bright, which is cool, but I don't know about for a baby album. So anyway, not a baby album, a pregnancy album. Nonetheless, we shall move on. Alright, you also get a pack of humongous amounts of ephemera. Sorry about that. Super cute. I don't take mine out because I don't know, I just don't. I don't know. I guess ephemera is ephemera for the most part. You get the drift with the back piece there. I just cut the tops open because then they have their own storage system they came with, so you can't beat that. This is the stamp set that comes with it. Pardon me. Heck yes. Adventure awaits in all. These are really cute, and they, I mean, while some of them are obviously for traveling, you can still use them. You know, explore doesn't have to be just because you're out and about. It could be because your kid's playing in the backyard or something, you know. Vacation read, that's cute. Recorded, I really like that one, so probably see that one a lot. And you also get some cork. Oh, and I like it because they're not very thick. These are stickers. Can't really see. Sorry. Anyway, these are cute. And even, like, when I saw her unboxing, I thought, I'll never use the airplane. but you can cover that up. You know, put a little heart or something in there. So take me away. Those are cute though. I'm blown away by how much stuff you get. When they revamped it, you really do get a lot of stuff now. Well, I mean, you got a lot of stuff before, but it just feels like so much more now. These are puffy stickers, which, who doesn't love those? Looks like we get a sheet of paper, which is always cute for background and everything. We get some word and label stickers. Driving in my car, it is what it is, kindness counts. Those are so cute. Detour, those are cool. And then you get 2 alphas this time. Those, and then these tiny little, like, typewriter font. Those are so cute. And these, I love these because these are like perfect size for just different layouts and whatnot. In your traveler's notebook and the pregnancy album, all that stuff. So anyway, that's what you get. So yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying your kits already. If not, I'm sure it'll be there any minute now. And then you too can have fun. So the next time I'm on here will probably be with a pregnancy album. I'm not sure. I might get back into doing my cards again because I've kind of been missing that. But if you haven't seen the video, this is the first page I did. I broke out my Spiegelmom scraps sequins, which I really love, but because they're not right at my hand, you know, I tend to forget about them. So I went ahead and brought that whole tray out and hopefully get some of those used up. But my whole goal with this is to get stash used as opposed to just hoarding it. Anywho, I hope you guys are having a great day and have fun with your kit. And don't forget to get some crafty time in. Talk to you later. Bye.